Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jeremy from Wild Tech Designs, and in today's video I want to talk about building out a van. We all know you guys want to live in a van. The van life movement is huge, so we want to talk to you today about van life options and keeping that within a reasonable budget. And behind me, we know that you guys love the Sprinter van. These things are ginormous, super big, and a ton of room to live inside it, as well as to be able to stand up, which is great. You know that we love that. You love that, to be that option in these vans. But what we don't love about the Sprinter van is the crazy prices that they bring. So if you're going to do the build out yourself, obviously you can do it for a lot less money, but you're still gonna have the cost of that Sprinter van, which a new Sprinter van, this is only a two-wheel drive, you know, you're up in that $50,000 plus price range. And then if you're gonna get into four-wheel drive, you know, it's gonna bump up the price even more. So today what we wanna show you is maybe an option that you may not have thought about, or maybe not realize that, wow, that's about the same size. And what am I talking about? As we go around the corner over here, you're gonna see this awesome Class C RV. And this is called the Catalina Sport. This is coming in at just about 22 feet. And when we go back and look, it's the same exact size as the Sprinter van. We might be about 8 inches to a foot bigger. That's going to be it. The biggest difference is going to be this height or the nose cone on the front of that. But what's great about that is all the additional room that you're going to have for sleeping. And when we jump inside this thing, we'll see just how much room that it actually has. Now, the other thing that you're gonna have to see is, well, yes, does sit a little bit taller than the Sprinter van, and that is because we did do our Baja Grocery Getter RV kit on there to give it that additional clearance. I'm losing my voice there. Additional clearance to get this person where they want to go. This particular individual loves going down to Baja, hates the roads down there, so now this new kit should really help him out with the roads, as well as getting him out onto the beach in those favorite surf spots, which you've seen as we talked to the last person that had a Chinook, is always out on the beach, so check out that. So let's go jump inside this thing and just see how much room you actually have in there. Another great thing is you're gonna have this full-size awning. So an RV this size is, Austin's gonna jump around. You wanna get in first? Come on, Austin, all aboard. So what we love in here, well, first of all, I love the kids' drawings, but is just how much room you can see we have in this. We're gonna have a full-size table, be able to sit 4 people at it. I love how they've done the map of the world in here, so you could really plan out your trip. And we even have we got some craziness going on over there in the United States. But then as we come back into the back, we're gonna have a full kitchen back here. We're gonna have a stove. We have our refrigerator, freezer, and this is gonna be a lot bigger than what you see even in most Sprinter vans, which is gonna be great. An additional spot for the microwave, and you're gonna have counter space and a sink in here, which this is really great in this rear kitchen option. And then back here, I mean, look at that. What Sprinter van is gonna have a full bathroom like this, where the toilet and shower is separate, another sink in the bathroom? And as you pan around this, what you can see is he's also done new flooring in here as well. And that's one thing that I would like to point out, is that you could even buy an older RV and do a lot of your own touches to it, fix it up, change the upholstery, put flooring in it, and still be a huge amount less than what you would be in a Sprinter van itself. So this is gonna make into a bed right here. Also, this couch is gonna make into a bed, and there should be, you're gonna have water tank storage underneath, so you don't have all the storage under there, but that's gonna fold down and make a nice bed right here. And then up on the top, you're gonna have a big full-size queen bed that's easily gonna sleep 2 adults. So it's giving you pretty much everything you need in this short 22-foot RV. I mean, this is awesome. And you can find an RV with relatively low miles and nice shape, you know, for under $20,000 which is huge when you're gonna wanna live in it, you're trying to make your money last. To me, this is a great option. So just kind of wanted to walk through this, show you the inside of this build, and show you just how this RV compares to the size of a Sprinter van. So that's it, just quick video. Thank you guys for watching. All right guys, sorry I tried to end this thing whole prematurely.
You're fired, get out of here.
I didn't even show you guys the inside of the Sprinter van. Duh, I just got all excited over there in the Ford. So this one doesn't have a build out inside.
Come on, man.
But it's still really cool, and it's gonna hold a bunch of people. So what is really cool about this inside the Sprinter vans, and I know even the Transit vans, we like the high roofs in these. That's not really available in the Chevys unless you do like a fiberine top. The downfall now we can see is this is going to be a lot narrower in here, where you can actually reach out, touch your hands on both sides. You do have a ton of space in this thing, how long this is. So if you're going to run a bed in the back and then do your kitchen cabinets, we're still being able to not sleep as many people. And in some of the other builds that we've seen, you know, like 4 people is kind of the max for a Mercedes Sprinter van. And if you are able to sleep more than 4, I would love to hear about it, see your videos. Please let us know how many people you can sleep in your van. Another thing that I hear, the biggest downfall of a Mercedes Sprinter van is going to be the maintenance involved. So I don't own one, but if you have one, I would love to hear what you think, that you might be able to help out a person that's, you know, in the process of wanting to build out a camper van, maybe either to live in it or just as a vehicle for pleasure. But I would love to know what's involved in the maintenance. Is it worth it or is it not? So I know a lot of you guys love them, so would love to hear what you think. But a ton of room in here. This is great. I really dig it. But both of these are about the same size. So which one is it that you would, you know, which one do you like? Let me know, comment below. Are you going Class C or are you going Mercedes van and doing your own build out? So this is really the end this time. Thank you guys for watching, and now I really will see you later.